How to remove your Messenger account from another phone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we're going to discuss about removing your Messenger account from another phone if you're logged in. Since your Messenger account is linked to your Facebook account, you will need to use your Facebook to log out of other devices. So go ahead and open Facebook or Facebook Lite application on your mobile device. Make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now tap on the three lines in the top right corner of the screen. Scroll all the way down and tap on Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings. Now from this page, you need to go to Account Center, so tap on See More in Account Center. Once you're in the Account Center, scroll down and tap on Password and Security option that is under Account Settings. Now you need to go ahead and tap on where you're logged in, which is under Security Checks. Tap on your Facebook account and you will see the list of devices that you're logged in. Either it's on Facebook or the Messenger application. Simply go ahead and tap on that specific device that you want to remove and you will see the option of Remove Device, or you will also see the option of Log Out of All Devices in the bottom of the screen if there are a list of devices that you're logged in. So tap on Log Out and this will help you log out of all devices that you're logged in, and this will remove your Facebook and Messenger account from those specific devices. So that's it for this video. This is how you can go ahead and remove your Messenger account from another phone. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and we'll see you again in the next one.